Where does the name Aber-porth come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion and I've been exploring the Wales coast path between Aber-eiron and Aberteifi, Cardigan. And this village that I'm in now is called Aber-porth. Let's get into the name. Aber-porth is a name that describes its landscape very directly. In Welsh, Aber means the mouth of a river, while porth refers to a harbour or a landing place. The earliest recorded names for the area were forms of Porth Hony, meaning the harbour on the Afon Hony. This shows that the settlement was originally understood as a port at the mouth of that river. The river name itself is less certain. According to the Dictionary of the Place Names of Wales, Afon Hony may derive from hawdd, easy, but also meaning pleasant, combined with the river suffix ni giving something like pleasant river. From at least the 1500s, Aber-porth developed as a working harbour. Boats, fishing gear and salt were brought in from Ireland, and it later became a subsidiary port of Cardigan. Lime kilns, coal yards and warehouses were built along the shore as maritime trade expanded. By the 1800s, Aber-porth was also a centre of the Welsh herring fishing industry, with fleets of small boats working the coast. The industry declined in the early 20th century as fish stocks fell. Today, Aber-porth is better known for its beaches, its distinctive coastal geology, and its position on the Wales coast path, including a cliff-top route that's accessible to wheelchairs, heading north from the village, with views known for striking rocks, seabirds and even dolphins. So the name means the river mouth of the port. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.